friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about the EK AMD AM4 and Intel LGA1700 water block. So friend, EK announces a new signature CPU water blocks, EK Quantum Velocity² and EK Quantum Magnitude Lignum edition. And friend, the Lignum Line is inspired by Mr. Edvard König's love for woodwork and modern computer technologies and named after the Latin translation of the word wood, a perfect symbiosis of oldest natural building material and contemporary high-end cooling solution. And friend, unparalleled exam Velocity² is a next generation EK CPU water block cooling engine that is socket specific and combination of mounting pressure and cold plate geometry tailored for the IHS and die layout of each specific CPU platform is used to achieve low hydraulic flow restriction and high performance. And friend, the lathe-turned cold plate is made with precision to cover the IHS effectively and put optional pressure on the die area. And friend, the Velocity² was redesigned inside and out. A new patent pending EK exact mounting system was developed in the search for an easy to use but aesthetically pleasing mounting mechanism. And friend, it consists of only 3 pieces: the backplate, mounting screws and water block itself. And friend, it screws in from the back, allowing for a seamless and clean front aesthetic without any screws disturbing the harmony of the shape. And friend, the system uses pre-tension spring concealed with the water block top, allowing you to complete the installation and get the desired mounting pressure in just a few turns of the thumb nuts. And friend, if I talk about the pricing is start at 44.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.